Do you know which cricket tournament is called the chameleon of cricket history? It's the Asia Cup. Did you know the Asia Cup is the only cricket tournament that switches formats? From 1984 till 2014, it was a pure ODI tournament. But in 2016, for the first time, it flipped to T20 international mode. Because the T20 World Cup was around the corner, this happened. Since then, the rule is simple. If the upcoming ICC event is an ODI format, then Asia Cup in that year is also going to be in the ODI format. If it's a T20 World Cup coming up, then Asia Cup is also in the T20 international format. That's why 2016 and 2022 were T20 internationals, because 2016 and 2022 both years had T20 World Cups. But 2018 and 2023 of the Asia Cup were ODI formats because the following was an ODI format ICC tournament. So now you know who is the ultimate chameleon of cricket history.